The grassland air and soil temperatures are warmer than the forest temperatures because in the grassland the sun was shining directly on it, but in the forest the trees were hiding the sun, so it didn't shine on the soil. See, the grassland illuminations are more than the forest illuminations.
As you can see from the data, the grassland has 74.05% relative humidity and 97.2 UVB, whereas the forest has 89.36% relative humidity and 16.8% UVB. In conclusion, we see that the grassland is hotter and has more UV and drier than
We investigated the moisture in the soil in both the forest and the grassland. The data shows that the grassland moisture was 12.2% and the forest soil moisture was 24.6%. Therefore, forest soil holds more water and the forest colder, thus the water from the forest is colder than the grassland.
soil, and I keep the water cool if it rains on me.
I'm rain, and I'm gonna pour all over you.
Well, it's okay, I can soak it up and keep it cool.
Well, I'm lightning and I can help you too. Boom, boom, boom.
Boy, this is the greatest thunderstorm ever.
Boom, boom, boom. Sam and I need cold, fresh water. We're in the grassland and it's pouring and there's nothing to stop us. Hot water! It's killing me! Hot water on salmon! Help me! I'm so hungry.
Yeah.
I wish we could find some soup. Oh, there's a berry! You already did not put some soup. Okay.
First you eat one berry, and then you wait for an hour. If you're not dead in 1 hour, eat another berry and wait for a second hour.
Oh no! Okay.
Now eat a third berry and wait for another hour. Now, if you're not dead, you may eat as much berries as you like.
Yay, I'm alive!
Hi-ho, 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 it's home from earth we go. Hi-ho, 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 it's home from earth we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho. Hi-ho, 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 it's home from earth we go. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho.